morning, good afternoon, good evening, and everything. My name is Olivia Hidayati. Welcome to my first video on English pronunciation. In this video, we will focus on two English vowel sounds E and E. Alright everyone, happy watching! Okay everyone, let's get started first. Let's try making the sounds E and E. Okay, the first one, E. E. Repeat after me. E. 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 Good everyone. Next, the second one. E. E. Repeat after me. E. 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 Good everyone. Okay everyone, so let's start with our example word. Listen and then repeat after me. Sit. Sit. Pit. Pit. Pin. Pin. Peach. Peach. Flip. Flip. Chip. Chip. Chick. Chick. Fit. Feet. Fish. Fish. Pig. Pig. Good job everyone. Okay, next. Let's try it in sentences. Sentence 1. Sit down and save your seat. Repeat after me. Sit down and save your seat. Sit down and save your seat. Sit down and save your seat. Okay, good everyone. Sentence 2. I beat the beats. Repeat after me. I beat the beats. I beat the beats. I beat the beats. Good job everyone. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you next time. Bye.